song to Chris's snore. You are so loud, you have rocked the toilet door. Hell yeah, you have made the stairs wobble. Check this song, I don't need help with the lyrics, because the song says it all. Not even an earthquake can wake up Chris's snore. I've told you once before, it made the toilet door vibrate. That's great. Now it's time for a finger up the nose. That's fucking cool, man. I love that shit.